Hey there, welcome to my channel, Messing with Michelle. If you're returning, welcome back, and if you're new, welcome. My name's Michelle. This video has a little bit of this and a little bit of that. It's just a casual clean with me. I'm filming this on a Thursday, and there's just a few things that I wanted to accomplish this evening to get the house in order. So I'm upstairs, I'm downstairs, I'm doing a bit of cleaning, I'm doing laundry as well as a bit of organizing. And for this video, I also threw in a product review of a new cleaning tool that I purchased for my toilet. So I'm going to share that with you as well because I'm really excited to be trying this for you. It's something so small, but I'm hoping to be super effective for my toilet. So stick around if you want to see that review. So right now I'm just headed downstairs to the laundry room to throw in a load of laundry. I'm cleaning my sheets as well as my duvet cover. I'm going to put my duvet into storage until the fall winter and switch it out with a quilt because it is summer and I wanted to have a lighter blanket on the bed. I'm back upstairs. I'm going to fold up my duvet to put it into storage. And just as a tip, if you buy bed-in-a-bags bedding for your bed, keep the packaging like I have here because I always use them for storage for my blankets. It's just something that is really useful and they're really durable, so I'm able to pack in my duvet cover, which is king size, as well as another queen size duvet in this one bag, and it really saves some money and you didn't have to spend anything on storage. When I came into the bathroom, I had the full intention of just coming in here, cleaning off the countertop, putting things in the drawers and cupboards, and then calling it a day. But after seeing all of the stuff in the sink, the hair, it just felt so gross. So I wanted to go in and just do a cleaning. So I gave in. I said, let's do this. Let's get this bathroom cleaned. The last time I cleaned it was actually a few weeks ago. And I know I always say this in all my cleaning videos with my bathroom that I'm going to keep up with it and clean it more frequently. But it always seems to get put on the back burner. So I'm just going to do a light cleaning, clean the counters, clean the floors, and clean the toilet. I'm not going to focus on the shower today. I just wanted to make the counter look clean as well as the sinks, and then I was satisfied with that. So I'm going in now and just doing a quick cleaning around the bathroom. This always seems to happen every single time I rinse the sinks in the bathroom is I think I'm finished and everything looks clean, and then I'll just start wiping down the sinks again, and then poof, all of a sudden there's a hair inside the sink and I'll have to go back and rinse them a second time. It always never seems to fail. Let me know if you have the same problem, but I really have to probably rinse off the sink about 2 or 3 times to get it totally clean and not have any hair or debris inside the sink. If you're new to my channel and you're wondering what the heck is she doing vacuuming out her bathtub, this is just my low maintenance way of just sucking up any hair in the bathtub. I don't use the bathtub at all, so just pretty much a way to cut corners, not have to clean the tub all the time. I will periodically give it a deep clean, but for in between cleaning, I just suck out the hair and make sure that it's dust free inside. So now I'm going in with my Dyson to vacuum the floors, and then I'm going to go in with my steam mop to steam clean the floors. I really like using my steam mop, especially inside the bathroom, because the hot steam is an extra level of sanitizing, being that this is the bathroom. I do have a few videos about steam cleaning, so if you're interested about how to use steam to clean, I can link down below a few videos for you to check out if you're interested. So I don't usually show you inside the toilet, but I just cleaned it. But I have always a ring around the inside of the toilet bowl. So I bought this product here, and it's a hard water wand, and it's just like a pumice stone to clean the hard water in my toilet. So I'm gonna try it for the first time to see if it actually works. I really hope it does, because those stains have been driving me crazy for years. So I can jump in and see if it's worth it. I found the wand from Amazon. It was $17.99. So here's just a closer look at the packaging. So it shows that it's good for hard water, calcium, lime, and rust. You can use it in your toilets, in your tubs. So I'm gonna give it a whirl to see how well this works. So here's a closer look at the stone, what it looks like. It has a little handle, and there's also this small hanger that comes with it, but I doubt I'm going to be using this because I really don't want this hanging around after it's been in my toilet. So it's probably going in the garbage. So I'll show you what my toilet looks like now. Here's a stain that was driving me crazy around the water line that has developed. So I'm going to try using the pumice stone to remove this ring. So all I really had to do was dip the wand and the stone in the water and then began scrubbing. So as you'll see, as I'm scrubbing, the water is starting to turn a different color, which is just the breakdown of the stone inside the toilet bowl. So just a few things about the product that I read is that this is volcanic pumice. It's scratch free. The wand is ergonomic as well as 12 inches long. But the problem is that the wand was way too long, so I wasn't able to get a good angle to really scrub the way I wanted to scrub and remove the ring around the toilet. So if it was about a couple inches shorter, it would have been a lot easier. I found that I was only able to use the tip of the stone to really scrub, and I believe that's going to wear out really quickly if I continue using it and not being able to use the rest of the stone inside the toilet. And I also noticed that someone had the same problem in the reviews. They were only able to use the tip just because the handle was a little bit too long. So here is what the before looked like before using the stone inside the toilet. So this is what the after looks like, and you can really see that that ring has come off, but you can also see there's a bit of hard water stain over on this side. But for the most part, for a few-year-old ring, it really took it off, and I could really feel it working against the hard water. So I'm really happy with that. It's not perfect, but it's definitely a huge improvement in my toilet. It is such a relief to finally know the rings in the toilet are gone. I actually went off camera and I cleaned the toilet upstairs in my guest bathroom, which had an even thicker ring, and it worked like a charm, and the toilet looks brand new. There was no scratching in the toilet bowl, which is amazing. I know that when I first started out, I really was kind of cringing. If this scratched, then my toilets are ruined, but no scratching. It looked great and it was really effective. Just a couple things to keep in mind is you really have to scrub. It's not like a gentle scrub. You really have to work to get the ring off and put in some elbow grease. And I really liked the product, but the only thing is also the wand was a little bit too long, so I wasn't able to get the angle that I wanted. I'm able to use the stone over and over again, but if I'm not able to get a good angle, I can see that the tip is going to run out really quickly, and then I'll be stuck with just the base. So I'll have to figure out how to be able to use the rest of the stone effectively. I might have to somehow cut off some of the wand, so this way I can really get into the toilet bowl and get a really good scrub. But overall, I'd recommend this product if you're dealing with the same problem, and I can finally have a toilet without that ring. When I cleaned the duvet cover, I also threw in a load of my white tops, and I'm just starting to put these away. So now I'm going in and just doing a quick vacuuming of my floors, and I looked at the canister of my Dyson and it just was loaded with just debris and dust, so I definitely need to dump the bin, and I'm probably due for another deep clean. If you have a Dyson and you need a little bit of help of how to clean it, I have a video that can help you out that shows you how to do a deep clean, and it really makes a difference on the performance and suction. So if you have a really jammed up cyclone and filter, you may not have the best suction. So if you want to check it out, I'll put a card above so you can watch the video and the tutorial of how to clean your Dyson vacuum. So this may look familiar, this over-the-door organizer. I had this inside my laundry room with my cleaning tools, and now that I no longer need it in the laundry room because I did my makeover, I'm going to change this to extra storage in my powder room downstairs because I don't have a cabinet for any extra towels or just any extra hand soap. So this is what it looks like right now inside the bathroom. This is the vanity that we have. So there's no storage underneath. I have some toilet paper beside the toilet, but I just want to have extra because it always seems to run out pretty quickly because this is downstairs and we're frequently using it. So I'm going to use this organizer just to add that extra storage that I'm looking for my bathroom. I am planning on doing a makeover of my downstairs powder room, so keep your eyes peeled for that video. It probably won't be for the next couple of months. I just bought the vanity the other day and I just have to wait for it to be shipped. I bought it from Wayfair and I'm so excited for it to arrive. It's a really different vanity, a totally different look for this bathroom, so I can't wait to start that project and share that with you. I really like this over-the-door hanger and storage unit. It was perfect for my cleaning tools and it really served its purpose, and it's really durable because I loaded it with a lot of cleaning tools in my laundry room when it was behind the door, but I'm really glad I'm able to repurpose it and reuse it for more storage inside my bathroom for temporary purposes until I get my brand new vanity. But it's always great to be able to use something again in the house, and definitely later on down the road when this is no longer needed in the bathroom, I can move it into another part of the house inside of a closet and store other things in it. But I'm really happy that I bought this, and it's just one of those things. It's very versatile. You can move it here, there, and everywhere, and you can use it over and over again. It's really durable, it's not flimsy, and it does the trick to keep you organized if you have limited storage. So as I was filming, my battery died of my camera, so I thought it was a good time to pause and just prepare dinner. So I made a new recipe. It's a chicken Hawaiian burger. It has like a sweet barbecue sauce and it's chicken breast. I also made caramelized onions and it was really good. I found it on Pinterest. Over the past year, I've been creating so many great meals that I find from Pinterest. There's been so many excellent new ideas that I find. So if you're struggling to prepare food and new ideas, because sometimes it gets a little bit repetitive with the meals, Pinterest is my go-to. It always is able to suggest great recipes, and it's just fun also preparing new food rather than keeping it the same old each and every time you're preparing chicken or beef or pork. I've shared a lot of videos with me cleaning dishes, but I didn't go into the method that I normally follow for cleaning dishes. So what I'll do is I'll start filling up the sink with hot soapy water, and I always use Dawn dish soap. This is the liquid dish soap, not the power wash. And when the water is at its cleanest and its hottest, I always start off with cleaning my coffee pot, followed by any glassware or my coffee mugs. I really like knowing that the water is at its cleanest when I'm cleaning out the glassware that I'll be drinking from. So then I'll just gradually progress into the rest of the dishes, and I'll focus on the dishes that are lightly soiled, they don't have a lot of chunks or residuals of food on, and then I'll move to the heaviest soiled dishes as my last batch to clean inside the water. And this just helps keep the water as fresh and clear as possible, because if I start with the dirtiest items first, I really would have to keep rinsing that water over and over again. So that's why you see me skipping over this pot a few times, because I'm just waiting to clean it last, because there's a bit of a barbecue sauce residuals at the bottom, and I wanted to clean this pot last, and then after this is clean, I can drain the water and then clean my sink afterwards. Let me know down in the comments if you rinse your dishes off before putting them inside the dishwasher. I always have to rinse off my dishes, because if I don't, I know that if there's any stuck on messes, they're just going to come out the dishes with those stuck on messes. Once again, I always have to do a thorough rinse. I don't know if it's the detergent that I'm using inside the dishwasher or the dishwasher itself. I've heard that the detergent is actually supposed to be more effective when the dishes are dirty and they have grease and grime, because the soap really locks and traps the grease and grime to remove it better, but I just find that doesn't happen. I've shared with you me cleaning out the dishwasher, the filter, and just other methods of cleaning out the dishwasher, and it just still continuously happens. So maybe it's the dishwasher, maybe it's the way I'm loading it, it could be the soap. So I guess I'm going to have to start ruling out options, maybe try a different soap, and then kind of work my way down to see what the problem could be. So I'm slowly starting to wrap things up with my cleaning. I really hope you enjoyed this video where I'm sharing a little bit of this, a little bit of that, kind of a little mishmash of just laundry, organizing, and cleaning. So if you did, make sure to hit that like button, and I'll catch you next Sunday when I upload my next video next Sunday. Thanks for watching. Bye.